Hello, it's Teacher Moses TV followers. As usual, this is Teacher Moses and I welcome all of you in today's lesson. Tumaze igihe tudakora cyangwa tutigana amasomo atandukanye nk'uko mubimenyereye because we were just starting a new talk which is called expectation versus reality talk. Nk'uko mwayibonye twatanye ikiganiro gishya gica kuri Teacher Moses TV. Iki kiganiro kikaba cyitwa expectation versus reality talk. Tukaba tumaze iminsi rero ari byo duhugiyemo nk'uko mwabonye 2 episodes n'izindi mbere muzibona nk'uko turi kugumya tuzibategurira. So welcome in today's lesson and I hope that everyone is still around, is still here on Teacher Moses TV. So today we are going to see like 60 words, 60 vocabularies, and they are somehow difficult, and we shall try to translate them in Kinyarwanda so as to help you to understand them better. So uno munsi tugiye kwigana amagambo agera kuri 6, ndaza kugerageza kujyanye no mu Kinyarwanda kugira ngo tuze kubasha kusobanukirwa neza. Ni gute wabwira umuntu yuko uri mugosora like ibishyimbo, ndi kugosora ibishyimbo, cyangwa se ni gute wabwira umuntu yuko uri musya, ndi gusya amasaka. Ibyo babivuga gute mu Cyongereza? Ndetse ni gute wabwira umuntu yuko uri kwinyuguza, ndi kwinyuguza mu kanwa. Just ni gute wabwira umuntu mu Cyongereza? Ndetse turaza kureba n'indi jambo rivuga gukuba, kuba ayo masafuriya neza ase neza, ayo masafuriya gukuba ni gute wabivuga. Ndetse tuze kureba ijambo rindi bivuga guhata in Kinyarwanda. How do we call it in English? So that's why you should learn this lesson or you should watch this video until the end. Niyo mpamvu ugomba kureba ino video cyangwa ukwiga iri somo kugeza rirangiye. So the first word is kugosora. Kugosora imyaka, like kugosora ibishyimbo. In English, the verb is to winnow. To winnow. You can say, I'm winnowing beans. I'm winnowing beans. Ndi kugosora ibishyimbo. Jane is winnowing maize. Jean ari kugosora ibigori. Kugosora in Kinyarwanda, in English is to winnow. To winnow. The next word is gusya. Gusya, like gusya amasaka. Ni gute wavuga ngo Peter arasya amasaka. The verb in English is to grind. To grind. To grind is in English, and you can say Peter is grinding sorghum. Peter is grinding sorghum. Peter ari gusya amasaka. To grind means gusya in Kinyarwanda. The third word is kwiyunyuguza. Kwiyunyuguza, just like that action of putting water in mouth and then you do like, yeah, kwiyunyuguza. How do we say it? In English. Kwiyunyuguza is to rinse. To rinse in English. You can say, I'm rinsing myself. Ndi kwiyunyuguza. I'm rinsing myself. After having lunch or breakfast, you rinse yourself. Nyuma yo gufashe ifunguro rya mu gitondo se cyangwa ifunguro ry'umugoroba ugomba kwiyunyuguza. You should rinse yourself. Karisa ari kunyuguza imyenda. You can say Karisa is rinsing clothes. Karisa is rinsing clothes. The next word is gukuba. Let's use Arine. Arine ari gukuba amasafuriya. Gukuba. The word gukuba in Kinyarwanda, the verb in English is to scrub. To scrub. You can say Arine is scrubbing the saucepans. Arine is scrubbing the saucepans. And I'm sure that you are getting the lyrics here down. So the next word is to peel. To peel. As I've told you, guhata, like guhata ibijumba cyangwa ibirayi. In English, we call it to peel. To peel. P-E-E-L. To peel. Like you can say, they are peeling sweet potatoes. They are peeling sweet potatoes. Bari guhata ibijumba. You know that ibijumba, we call it sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. And the potatoes in Kinyarwanda is called ibirayi. Potatoes in ibirayi, or you can call it even Irish potatoes. James is peeling Irish potatoes. James arahata ibirayi, like ibirayi or ibijumba. The last word of today is to chair. To chair bivuga kuyobora, especially nko kuyobora inama. Ushobora kuvuga ngo Perezida wa Repubulika ayoboye inama aka kanya. President of the Republic, like for example of Rwanda, is chairing the meeting. Head teacher is chairing the meeting. Umuyobozi w'ishuri ayoboye inama right now aka kanya. Head teacher is chairing the meeting. So thank you for learning this lesson, and I hope that this lesson is going to be very helpful to you. As we have seen, kugosora in Kinyarwanda, in English we saw that it is to winnow. Twabonye kandi ko gusya byita to grind, ndetse kwinyuguza tubona ko babyita to rinse. Irindi jambo twabonye no munsi ni gukuba like amasafuriya se cyangwa gukuba inkuta. You can say please scrub those house walls. Ugerageze ukube izo nkuta z'inzu. Ndetse irindi jambo twabonye no guhata, twabonye ko baryita to peel in English. Ndetse ijambo nyuma twaje gusorezaho ni ijambo rivuga kuyobora inama, rivuga to chair. Someone is chairing the meeting. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this lesson you are going to share it to your friends, like 5 friends. Make sure that they have subscribed. Thank you so much. Bye.